Hey guys, morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. Just about to make breakfast for Lauren. She's been amazing this whole past week. Making breakfast every morning. I've been so tired. But today I'm gonna be making my favorite breakfast, which is just plain cheese sandwich. First of all, you need to wash your hands. You want to make that, and make sure your hands are nice and clean. Pretty much simpler. Yeah, hopefully she enjoys it. With the time, and yeah, just heat it up a bit. As long as you just heat it up a bit.
Some Sesco brown bread. Holla at you, Sesco.
Look at my slices. You zooming in my face.
So he's putting some blossom butter on the brown bread.
Some blossom butter on the brown bread.
Yep.
Butter is, just gives it a bit of flexibility in terms of the pan is, the bread is actually not sticky on the pan. So as much as you can apply on it, I guess.
Guys, it literally makes the best roasted cheese, grilled cheese.
So we'll add butter on the other side as well.
Spread the butter.
Next up is
to grate the cheese with the grater.
I'm actually going to put this on here. And then we're going to grate the cheese on top of it. She likes the cheese, so might as well just. And then, yeah, voila. Other way around. There we go. And of course, not forgetting my favorite friend, the spatula. So you let this simmer on here a bit, and then I'll just flip it over and then that's it. Thank you. And you show them after. And it's looking really great. I just like this color. I like it too burnt, so that's what you want to really get. She'll be ready to eat in 2 minutes. And now you like to plate. I hope I did all this breakfast for you. Maybe my breakfast is good.
It looks delicious though. Anyway guys, we'll be uploading more YouTube videos soon. We'll be back to basics, and thank you for watching. We hope you have a blessed week.
This is what you really want to get.
Yes. Yum 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 yum.
Alright. Cheers guys.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Say bye, babe.
Bye.